Randy here with the Mark Deering team with RE/MAX. Welcome to brand new listing here in Ada. We have a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath located in Ada Forest Hills Public Schools. Wonderful school district. Come see what we have. All right, welcome. So in here, nice entryway, beautiful windows, and here we have a beautiful living room. Nice big windows, brings in nice natural light, hence all the plants. We also have newer flooring, and in here is the kitchen with a nice dining area, great for entertaining. Nice granite countertops here in the kitchen with a lot of cabinet space, great for cooking and entertaining. And then in here we have the half bathroom, which is great too, right off the kitchen when you have guests over. And here is the mudroom, which is awesome. Great for storing backpacks, any kind of biking gear, anything that you don't want to trek through the house. And love this feature right here. We have a first floor laundry room, which is wonderful. All right, let's come upstairs. All right, here we are, the upstairs. We're gonna head over to the primary bedroom. Nice spacious primary bedroom. We have dual closets, walk-in closets, lots of space for storage for your clothing. And then in here we have the primary bathroom. Nice big tub, and then also a walk-in shower and granite countertops too. It's beautiful. And next we have one of the bedrooms. Come on in, nice and spacious. Look at those windows. And also nice big closet space too. Look at this little area. Could be a desk, maybe a game room. They have their treadmill right in front of the window. And we have another full bathroom right in here. So nice and spacious. And here is bedroom number 3. Also has a lot of room, great lighting, and also nice closet. And bedroom number 4. Also, good amount of space in here. Also a nice closet and really, really big window. So great for lighting. All right, let's go check the basement out. All right, now we have the basement. It's newly finished. Newer flooring, which is wonderful. And look at all this area. It's great for entertaining. You also have a kitchenette here, so could be a little apartment, good for those teens or maybe parents. Nice big windows that allow a lot of extra light to come in too, so it doesn't give you that dark feeling. And also another space over here, so lots of different things you can do with this area, especially for entertaining. And then in here, we have a full bathroom. So we have a shower, great for if you use this as an office or even a bedroom. So this is bedroom number 5. So a lot of space in here, nice lighting. So could be an office or a bedroom. All right, let's come check the backyard out, one of my favorite parts. Over in Acre, nice and private, has a fence, private fence surrounding the whole backyard, which is wonderful for if you have kiddos or any type of dogs, animals. Also has an above ground pool, great for entertaining, especially in those warmer months here in Michigan. Don't miss this brand new house coming on the market. 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, located right here in Ada, Forest Hills School. So come check it out. We have a couple open houses. See you soon.